Alright, find the hole. Oh my god!
Oh, that'll do it!
Some fresh terminals.
Strong connections. Old XF's always been a mess of cables there. We're gonna fix that up.
Don't we need a battery first?
The charging?
Yes.
Good stuff. Okay.
Are you ready filming? I don't want anything done without it being filmed, alright? Alright. So we're just gonna replace the terminals.
Alright, Krill. We're doing a cold start, old start.
A cold start, old start. This car's been in the field since 2007, so that's what, 13 years that this hasn't been running. We towed it here and we've been doing rust repairs on it. And today we went, hang on a sec, what's the point of doing these repairs if the car doesn't run? So before we go any further, we're going to run the engine and we're going to see what the engine sounds like and just see if it's even worth progressing any further, which is probably the first thing we should have done.
Maybe.
Maybe. So,
archaeology at its best.
That's right.
Carology.
Can you tell us about this engine, Damien? What do you know about it?
This engine is straight. It's 6.
Straight 6.
And unfortunately it's on gas.
Well, it's fuel as well. Fuel and gas.
Well, we'll just pretend the gas doesn't exist.
That's right. We're not doing anything dodgy here, alright? Just trying to get a car going.
We've got to sort out a few things, I guess.
Yeah.
One of which is the battery terminals.
That's right. The battery terminals are some kind of 80s technology that I don't understand. So
what's not to understand?
Yeah, I don't know. So we've bought some new terminals that suit the new style batteries. And just putting them on. Hopefully they will work.
I'm sure they will. So, like we said before, we've got a gas system here which is very archaic.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's not going to cause any problems.
Hopefully.
But apart from that, everything looks in order.
Yep.
And what are we drinking today, Krill? What's this?
What's it called? Vitalsberg.
Vitalsberg. 5.0.
5.0. 10 mil. Alright, so checklist.
Yes.
Oil, check. Let's check it again. Here's the dipstick. There it is. Oil, check. Water.
Water?
We have water in there.
You sure?
Yep.
Okay.
No. No, maybe not. Power steering fluid. Yes, bone dry. Bone dry. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna bypass the fuel tank. Basically hook up the fuel hose straight to the fuel pump. The fuel pump's just mounted on the side of the engine. And that's gonna be our feed. The fuel pump is way down there. Can't even see it. It's down there, underneath the manifold. There's the fuel pump. So this engine is a 6-cylinder, as Damien said. Push rod. It's a push rod engine, so that means that
Pre-overhead cam.
yeah, it's not overhead. The camshaft is in the bottom of the engine, and the camshaft moves these metal sticks, and these metal sticks push down on the valves and open them. So it's a 4-litre 6-cylinder engine that dates back all basically to the late 60s of the Ford Mustang. So this engine can be related to original Ford Mustang 6-cylinder engine. Okay. Disconnect the fuel pipe. So I just put in the fuel hose, and then you can have a jerry can here. And we'll just feed from the jerry can because the fuel tank, we don't know what's in there. It could be full of water.
Yeah.
You know, there's no point even trying.
Oi.
Okay.
So filling up the power steering fluid, essential to any cold start, old start.
Yeah. Got that.
Make sure it steers.
Alright, who's going to be the spray boy for the degreaser in there?
So wait. We have to check the spark plugs, man.
Check the spark plugs. Let's check the spark plugs. Here we go.
This is no 2-bit operation, man. This is
No.
We need to check the spark plugs.
We have to do it because the internet says that we have to. So we're doing it. Let's have a look. Oh, what have we got here?
All right, let's have a look.
Champion. That looks fine. That's not burning any oil. I think just give it a run.
Don't waste his precious time.
Yeah. I'm done doing things. I just want this engine to run now.
Not with that attitude.
Yeah. Plugs are fine. We're having a good time.
We've just checked one. It's all right.
Yeah.
One done.
One. All right. Where's the literally first start?
Okay, this is the first start in how many years?
I reckon 13.
13 years.
That's my estimate.
All right.
Spray bit in there. All right.
Find the hole. Oh my God! What?
That'll do!
Do you want some more?
Yeah.
All right.
Give it some more. Needs to pull that fuel from
Yeah,
the
you got to
garage.
prime the fuel pump, right? Oh my God! What?
I knew it was gonna run. Fords never die.
Is that idle?
Holds right.
It's idling.
Drop the mic.
Drop mic. It idles.
Fucking she's a winner. She's a winner.
I don't believe that, dude. Honestly.
boys.
Back another beer. Too right.
You earned it.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
How good is that?
Wow.
Runs.
Time is nothing. Yeah?
They say that, you know, you circle the problem. I don't see a problem here.
No.
Not today.
All jokes aside, like, this is the first time it's running.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
and it's idling.
It's idling. It's actually idling.
That's the
250 crossflow. Fucking
Good.
amazing engine. Amazing.
Put it in anything.
Australian engineering at its finest. Back in the day when we were making things, not just importing things. 300,000 Ks on the clock.
300,000 kilometers.
1,000 kilometers. Yeah.
Wow.
No smoke. Like I'll give it some
All right.
and see if there's any smoke.
Oh, yeah. Now we're talking.
Just running rich. That's not oil, right?
I don't think that's oil.
I think it's just running rich.
Yeah, I believe so.
That's right. We're just gonna drive this thing into the sunset. the sun's setting, and apparently there's gonna be an eclipse soon. And
All right.
yeah, that's it, guys. You know, happiness has been achieved.
Oh no. It actually moves. Wow. That's a success. Calling that a success?
After hard days of wrenching on the Ford, Citrus Smack
Citrus Smack.
is your best friend. I love that smack.
So calling that a success, eh, Krill?
I'm calling it an event.
For the ages.
Yeah. The car runs, it even drives.
It runs and drives.
It runs and drives.
Yes.
Not just when parked, it runs and drives now. So maybe the old boy that sold his car was telling the truth. It was running and driving the car. Well, there you go. Now we have the proof. And it starts right up after you're sitting.
No, it does. Not a problem.
That engine's just.
Now I'm gonna call it around.
Yeah.
See you later.
Yeah, I mean, all that stuff is timing, nothing, you know, it's running. Basically, it's running. After sitting in the field, like, I estimate 13 years, because the last service sticker 2007.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's probably around that time that it got parked up, and it was just rusting away. Bam, turn the key, she runs.